Hello my YouTube beauties, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to get these long-lasting curls. So first I'm going to go ahead and use this spray treatment by One and Only Argan Oil, and I'm just going to spray that all around my hair, and I already did this prior to sectioning. And now I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. I'd say about like 1.5 2-inch sections, and then I'm going to be curling away from my face, and I'm going to be using that same technique throughout the whole entire head. I personally like to go away from my face because I just like how it looks, but if you want like a consistent curl, try to keep your pattern the same. My face is really peeling like bad. I recently did a chemical peel and I am shedding. You can probably see it in the video. I was actually trying to use my window as a mirror because I didn't have a mirror in front of me, so I was literally using the reflection of my window to see what I was doing. Just a little fun fact. So I'm just going to finish up the curls and then do the other side off camera. What do you guys like? Do you guys prefer the curling iron over the wand? Or do you guys like the wand? I almost feel like the wand makes my curls last longer, but I don't know. I could be wrong. Because my hair is normally like naturally straight, so it's hard for my hair to hold a curl, but for some reason I find that this technique and the products I use, it really helps maintain my curls for a good few days actually. So then I'm going to finish off my hair with the Kenra volume spray, finishing spray, and I'm just focusing that on the mid shafts and the ends of my hair. You don't want to really focus on the roots only because it can really add a lot of buildup, so just be cautious with that and just spray only where you need it to spray. Then I'm breaking the curls with my fingers. You can also use a wide tooth comb, but I prefer what God has given me, my hands. Best tools one can have. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial, and if you guys happen to recreate it, please tag me on any of my social medias or your social medias. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you find yourself coming back to my channel. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh my god.
These are bloopers. Go ahead and see the bloopers.
Oh my god, the struggle is too real. I can't even see what I'm doing.